Hi everybody.
Today, we'll be making something called calcium acetate sulfate.
Is it a jelly?
Of course it is.
No jelly.
It's not something you have to eat. It's something you're not supposed to eat though.
Oh.
This clear, jelly-like substance is highly flammable because it is a mixture of concentrated calcium acetate solution, which is right here.
A one bottle of
and
nothing.
Here is some concentrated isopropanol. Here I have 90%. Now here, I like to point out the fact that you're supposed to use a very high concentration of alcohol, like 95% ethanol or 90 to 99% isopropanol. This is because we actually tried it with 70% ethanol, but instead we got this white goo-like substance.
Goo?
So, always get some high concentration alcohol. Okay, now let's do our experiment. First, let's see. Pour some calcium acetate in here.
Everything?
Everything. The idea here is to make a concentrated solution, like I said, and also note the fact that not all of it may dissolve.
You made me spill some.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. So here we have our calcium acetate solution. Now let's pour our alcohol. Why I'm not pouring the alcohol in advance before the video is because alcohol is a volatile substance.
But don't drink this. It will make you a little bit dizzy and all that.
Volatile just means that it easily turns from its liquid state to the vapor state without reaching its boiling point. This is the reason why your wet tablecloth can dry easily. However, isopropanol boils much quicker, and because of that, I'm not adding it in advance.
Let's pour it in. Let's pour it in.
No, not now.
Okay.
You gotta add more isopropanol.
Yeah.
Now, for the experiment, you will need about 15 grams of calcium acetate, 50 milliliters of water, and 150 milliliters of isopropanol. The isopropanol I have comes in bottles of 30, so I'm gonna need 5. Keep adding the solution.
It's kind of like a jelly one.
Yes. Okay.
Look at this one.
Wow, that's a big one.
Found us.
Let's see if it's also solidified. Keep adding the solution until you get it to the desired consistency. Mine's a little too watery. Now, let me show you how the jello looks like. So let me get a big chunk.
It's more like something. It's more like a rice. It turned to a goo, and more looks like a goo, not jello. More looks like a jello.
Later, let's see how some of this stuff burns. Now, if you're gonna store it, put it in a bottle and just store it. Now remember, the bottle should have a lid because the alcohol, as I've said earlier, evaporates rapidly.
Yeah, let me try. Now, it's time for burning. Prepare for fire.
Now, note that if you're gonna burn some of this, always bring an adult here to help you, since fires are only for adult supervision. The reaction here is simple. The isopropanol combustion is the main reaction. However, there's actually another side reaction going on, and it's the calcium acetate. In intense heat, the calcium acetate actually decomposes to calcium carbonate and acetone. Calcium carbonate doesn't do much, but acetone is flammable, and because of that, it supports combustion in the form of fuel. Now, let's see what happens when you light some of the jelly. Ready, everybody?
Prepare for fire.
Okay. You can see that it lights fairly quickly. In fact, the temperature here is actually high enough that you can actually brew some drinks.
Or roast some marshmallows.
Hope you guys had fun.
Hope you guys have fun.
Enjoy our marshmallow roasting. Bye.
Bye. Subscribe and like.